Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric motor pulley that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Terre Products V-Groove V-Belt Drive Pulley. The Terre Products V-Groove V-Belt Drive Pulley is a high-quality replacement part for the Chicago die-cast 250A pulley. Made from die-cast C3A zinc alloy, this pulley is compatible with 4L/A belts. It has a 5/8 bore and a 2.5 outside diameter, with a keyway size of 1/8 and a groove angle of 34 degrees. Customers have praised its durability and performance, with reviewers noting that it fits well and is well made. The pulley is heavier duty compared to older pulleys, and it has received positive feedback for its timely service and fast shipping. Overall, this Terre Products pulley is a reliable and high-quality option for various applications. Moving on at number 4, we have the EUDAX Plastic Belt Pulley Gears Combo Pack. EUDAX 2mm hole plastic belt pulley gears combination modulus package is a comprehensive kit specially designed for DIY toy models. It consists of 51 pulleys and 56 rubber bands in a wide range of sizes, allowing for various applications in DIY projects. Made of high-quality plastic, these components are durable and compatible with most hobby motors. The kit includes longer rubber bands, providing the flexibility to adjust tension. The EUDAX product guarantees excellent after-sales service and encourages customers to share their innovative ideas. With its fast shipping, great quality, and versatility, this kit is ideal for enthusiasts and model builders. However, some users reported issues with the drive belts, as the yellow belts are prone to becoming sticky and breaking easily. Overall, the EUDAX Plastic Belt Pulley Gears Combination Modulus Package offers exceptional value and convenience for creating DIY robots, cars, RC toys, and airplanes. At number 3, we have the Terre Products V-Groove V-Belt Drive Pulley. The Terre Products V-Groove V-Belt Drive Pulley is a high-quality replacement part for the Chicago die-cast 150A. Made from durable die-cast C3A zinc alloy, this pulley is designed to provide reliable performance. With an outside diameter of 1.5 inches and a 1/2 bore, it is compatible with 4L/A belts. The pulley features a keyway size of 1/8 and a groove angle of 34 degrees. Its through bore measures 1.156 inches, while the width is 0.656 inches. Customers have praised its perfect fit and quality construction. However, some have mentioned that the set screw hole is off-angle. Overall, the Terre Products V-Groove V-Belt Drive Pulley is a solid choice for those in need of a reliable replacement part for their machinery. At number 2, we have the Zeberoxyz 2PCs Timing Pulley Set. The Zeberoxyz 2PCs Set GT2 Synchronous Wheel is a high-quality storage product made of durable aluminum alloy. It features a surface oxidation treatment for enhanced longevity and high transmission accuracy. This timing pulley offers accurate transmission without slipping, ensuring a constant gear ratio. With its smooth transmission, precise tooth pitch, and high transmission efficiency, it provides excellent energy-saving effects. The simple structure of the pulley makes it easy to install, assemble, and disassemble. It is widely used in various machinery transmission occasions, such as milling machines, gear shapers, drilling machines, and hobbing machines. The set includes 2 pulleys with 20 and 60 teeth, an 8mm bore, and a 6mm belt length. The color of the pulley is silver, and it has dimensions of 1.73 L x 0.00 W x 0.00 H. And finally at number 1, we have the Terre Products V-Groove V-Belt Drive Pulley. The Terre Products V-Groove, V-Belt Drive Pulley is a top-notch compatible replacement part for the Chicago Die-Cast 350A. Crafted from die-cast C3A zinc alloy, this pulley is built to last. It's 3.5 inches outside diameter and 1/2 bore ensure optimal performance. With a groove angle of 34 degrees, inside diameter of 1/2, and width of 0.716, it provides a precise and secure fit. The keyway size of 1/8 adds to its reliability. Compatible with 4L/A belts, this V-belt drive pulley is reliable and durable. Customers have praised the product's quality, fit, and value for money, making it an excellent choice for those in need of a reliable replacement pulley.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.